Ever wonder what a port day in Key West looks like on a 3-day MSC cruise? Let me show you. Key West is the first stop on this 3-day MSC cruise, and it also happens to be my birthday. Thank you for the card, MSC. That was a very nice touch. I start my day off with breakfast, of course, coffee, orange juice, fruit, and this plate of vegetables, grilled tomatoes, roasted mushrooms, hash browns, and beans. It was phenomenal. What also was phenomenal was the weather that was provided by nature to enjoy the vibe that is Key West. It was picture perfect. I couldn't ask for a better day to explore the city. So let's get off the boat and let me show you what I saw and what I did today. Stepping off the ship was quick and easy. The port is walkable and you're just minutes away from the heart of Old Town Key West. One thing I love about Key West is how charming and colorful everything is. The streets are lined with pastel buildings, quirky shops, live music just about everywhere you go as well. Key West is quaint and touristy, vibrant and festive, charming and historic, weird and interesting, all at the same time. You don't really need to have anything planned when you get off the ship. Just strolling through the streets, you will stumble upon interesting bars, restaurants, shops, museums, and galleries. While exploring the city, I came across the oldest house in Key West. It was built in 1829 by a ship's carpenter. It's well preserved and serves as a window into the past. When you step inside, you'll find original furnishings, family portraits, and preserved architecture. This separate cookhouse kept the heat away from the house and reduced the risk of fire. All right, enough of the history lesson. I need to find some vegan food in Key West. I stumbled upon the cafe, which is not a vegan 100% complete restaurant, but they do have a plethora of vegan options. The ambiance is eclectic. The decor is amazing. The menu is phenomenal. The service, top tier. I started out with this watermelon mint juice. Refreshing and amazing. I opted for the Caesar kale salad. Kale, Caesar kale, whatever you want to call it. That thing was massive and huge. Entree was this soba noodle stir fry. This thing had damn near every vegetable in the garden. And of course, they had an option or two of vegan desserts. This carrot cake changed my life, and this key lime pie was phenomenal. I could have eaten the whole carrot cake. I had a phenomenal day in Key West. The weather was perfect. I ate well. I saw a lot of interesting and crazy shit. Now it's time to get back on the ship and get ready for the next port. As always, if you're looking for easy and delicious plant-based recipes, grab my free recipe pack. The link is in the description below. And thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I got more plant-based travel and food content coming your way.